guys, Fire Dragon here. So if you read the title, I'm doing a social experiment. You're probably like, what? You're doing a social experiment? And why haven't you uploaded? Well, I'm in school, of course. I've told you that. So here's the sign. Honk if you are alive. I wonder if anybody will honk. Comment down below how many people you think will honk. Here we go. I got the sign out. See if anybody will participate. Well, there's no cars. So I'll come back when there's some cars. I will blur out people's faces. And first person. Nope. Okay. I'm not going to show any faces. I've been getting some strange looks. Oh, you got a honk. Nobody wants to participate. I don't know if my face is on camera, but nobody wants to participate, eh? No? I'm never gone. Well, I'm gonna stay for a little bit because here's another. Oh, there's some doggos. It's probably getting boring because nobody's participating. Dang, I'm getting so much strange looks. Okay, here's one. Well, this has been a boring social experiment. Guess nobody wants to honk. I guess a lot of people are dead then. But, here, let's do a quick little thing. Probably don't see me, but okay. So, hi. I want to show you I made myself a little tattoo. It's pretty boring, but it's not limp forever, but still. I'm gonna start trying to vlog again more. I've been having some school. Oh, let's do one more. Oh. And that's a no. Well, one more thing. Remember to subscribe. Comment down below. And you better click that bell or I'll be sad and go boo-hoo. Alright. Bye.